Hello, Sobbysock11 with an unboxing of the 2011 Syma S108G Mini Marines Cobra attack helicopter. This product I bought off Amazon for a price of £15.29. Had a good views all round, so we'll have a look at the helicopter boxing and see what we think. This item was shipped all the way from China, as you can see by the postage details. Took a very long time to arrive, 2 weeks, which we were very surprised at for Amazon, as their delivery speeds are normally very speedy. But we'll start with unboxing the polystyrene that it came in. There we go, and the packaging is now open. So inside we can see the helicopter itself, which is secured under this tape. There it is. Not bad, quite light, sort of made out of a plastic material. I'll set that aside. And there's the remote control. There, forward, side. Presume that's the trim and things. Yep, put that to there. And also included is the USB charging cable and a spare rear propeller thing. And that looks like that clips in here. That's one of the rear tail fins, and here is the instruction manual. So that concludes my unboxing of the Cobra helicopter. If you like this video, please be sure to like it, and if you're interested in more tech reviews and unboxings, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll have a full review of this product coming up soon. Thanks for watching.